Pozdrav svima ljudi, s vama je Fishchu i danas igramo TJoC Story Mode. Choose your memory. Nikad nisam ovu igricu igrao. Don't judge me if I die. Šalim se. Imamo, šta treba se klikne sad ovdje? Choose your memory. Sve ću kliknuti. Aha, evo ga. Play! Idemo da umremo.
Hello? What are you doing in our house?
A zašto ti u mene uperavaš to svetlo? Če me slepiš?
Yes, he's okay. Don't worry. He just seems confused. Excuse me, sir. Can you tell me your name? Look, man. If you won't talk, I'm calling the police. You can't just barge into someone's house like this. Are you hurt? Do you need any help?
Honey, what's going on?
I don't know. This man suddenly appears in our house. They've gone from one of the things, but I don't know. Then here or what?
Michael! What? My name. It's Michael. I'm Michael. You asked me that before.
Daddy, Michael.
Ti si drogiran.
Excuse me, just what are you doing in our house? The sun's about to go down. I don't think you should be here.
Yeah, I was just saying that. You look a little bit roughed up. What happened to you? I don't know. I can't remember. I'm sorry, but I just don't know.
Michael should get up. The floor is bad. Daddy, can you help Michael? Nighttime is coming. It would be bad to leave him outside.
I guess. Can you stand?
I think so. A bit. I just feel a bit dizzy. Yes, dizzy.
Come on, man. Let me help you up.
After that, Dad carried the stranger to our guest room. He thanked me for convincing my parents to let him rest in our house for a night, or at least while he collected his thoughts. After that, Mom put me in bed. I can't remember much about Michael, but I knew he wasn't a bad person, or at least he didn't look, dangerous. I was young, so I guess I just didn't know any better. Certainly didn't know what a burglar was, that's for sure. Not that I was implying he was. I'd never talked to him again after that. Well, except for when the storm happened. That's when I woke up on my bed, and I saw them.
Oh. Okay. Čemo sad? X to continue, SC to not show again, press space bar to stand up or sit down, press left click to interact with objects, look up while sitting and hold left click to sleep. Okay.
Hello, Nick? Hey, little Nicky, it's me, Michael. And hey, don't say anything back to me, okay? There are monsters around that'll hear you if you do. Now, don't be scared, Nick, okay? Listen to me, and we can defeat those monsters, all right? Okay, so these monsters might look, surreal. Don't look at them too long, or you'll feel weird and see creepy things. When you do, turn on your desk lamp next to your bed. You'll feel safe there. The more you stare at the scary monsters, the worse you'll feel, all right? All right. Okay, first things first. Freddy, the fuzzy brown bear. He's at the window, Nick. He'll peek inside. Close your curtains and keep them closed until you hear him leave, or else he'll get inside. Then there's Bonnie, the ill-tempered big purple bunny. Keep an eye on your door. He'll be there. He's not shy at all. He will knock on the door to let you know he's there. Once he opens the door, shut off the lights as fast as you can, Nicky. He can't see you well in the dark, and he'll leave. But make sure you're sitting down when you do that, all right? Okay, then there's the chicken. That one's a little bit weird. Check the closets often. If she's peeking through, make sure to disable the lights. She doesn't want to be seen, but ignoring her doesn't help either. If she does catch you with the lights on, she'll scare you and stun you. Now look, I know this is a lot to take in, little Nicky, okay? Just listen carefully and try to remember it all, please, okay? Alright, last is Foxy. He'll be right beneath your bed, Nick. You'll hear scraping from the bottom of the crib when he's there. Be watchful if you see his hook on the back of your bed, because soon enough he'll be right there next to the bed. Don't look directly at him, Nick. Instead, pretend to sleep. Alright, just pretend to sleep. Yeah, just lie down without moving too much. Look up and close your eyes. Foxy sees eyes as if they're big, bright spotlights, okay? So if you pretend to sleep, he won't know you're there anymore. But don't open them until you know he's gone, okay? Okay, so to recap, Freddy is at the window, so if you see him peeking, close the curtains until he's gone. Bonnie will knock on the door and open it afterwards. Disable the lights and sit down until he leaves. Chica will try to stun you by scaring you, so if you see her peeking through the closet, shut off your lights and don't pretend to sleep. She'll think you're gone. And Foxy will appear under your crib and move upwards, so when he's next to your bed, pretend to sleep until you hear him leave. Alright, you got all that? Alright, good. Listen, I have to go, little buddy, okay? Just hang in there. They'll leave at 6 a.m., I'm sure of it. You can do this, okay?
Preplašio si dete, bukvalno. Mislim, ne mene, ni mene uplašio, ja sam uopšte, ne mogu lako uplašiti. Nego, da. Ne mogu ovdje sad. Malo gledam ovdje i ne mogu da provalim sad. Ok, upalio sam svetlo, ne znam zašto. Zato što je rekao da treba da bude upaljeno svetlo jer ono tamo svetli. Oh shit. Čuo sam da neko otvorio vrat. Ovo je drugi put da kuca. Ko je? Ja ne, ale... Brate, čuo sam i vrata i čuo sam i ovog ovdje bajsera. A daj, brate, mili. Ozbiljno.
Hello?
Sad ćeš da ih jebam, kaj sam. Ja sam te ja razumem. Znači na svakih dva kucanja ja mislim da se ovaj stvar radi. I na svaka tri. Na svaki treći i na svakih drugi, nemam pojem. Okej, sad, čekamo sad, da vidimo ko će prvi. Mislim da trebam čim pokaže ruku, trebam da ga zatvorim. Ajde bre. Malo sam se smorio. Funny. Oh. Troje se odjednom pojavilo, ne mogu da verujem. Foxy? Ovo je Foxy, čuo sam nešto mi... Da je nešto... škripi od ispod. Ajde bre. Sad nemoj ajde bre. Ok, ovo je prošlo, znači 3 puta da je tapne ili 2 puta, ne. Izbjegao sam ga, ali... Ozbiljno, pa koji put si ti stao na prozor? Okej, dva je. Možemo mi to... Pa ovo ga čujem da škripi negdje. No, nećeš valjda. Ovo je bilo teško. Ne zezaš. Foxy ne čujem. Ne čujem Foxija. Oho. Opa. Podigo si se na noge, a? Mislim, nisi još. To je jedan kucanje, okej. Jedan kucaj. Ovog će da udari srčka, vrat. Ajde, Bonnie, brate, verujem da će Bonnie. Svaki treći, a? 4 Ovo će srčka da strepi, nema šanse. Okej, Čiku ignorište. Stresiram se, crveno svetlo, ne. Alo, što treba da radim? Svetlo cijeli dan. Što ovo će da drži srčku. Ovo je bilo mnogo... Šta jem? Yes! Šta je sad ovo? Kad scena neka? Okej. To je to, kao kad scena. Ajde sad reći living room, nećemo to još. Oj, kakva muzika. Uglavnom, ako vam se svidio video, obavezno ostavite like i subscribe. Pišite mi koje druge igrice da igram. Treba mi neke ideje, nemam pojma. Ništa, ovo je bila prva epizoda na mome kanalu, TJoC Story Mode, memorija, bedroom, tako da sljedeća epizoda living room, a pre toga će nešto drugo da bude nešto, čekajte malo se odmorim, samo se šlogiram na ovom bedroom. Ništa, vidimo se, pozdrav.